Do you want to reveal your photo or video with a stylish boxes reveal effect in CapCut Mobile? The best part is you can do it using CapCut's built-in effect features. Let me show you how. Let's get started. First step is to open CapCut and tap New Project. Select the photo or video you want to edit and add it to your timeline. Tap the effects at the bottom menu, then select Video Effects. Browse through the categories, and you can use the search bar to search for Boxes Reveal Effect. Tap it to apply it to your clip. You can also make some adjustments. Just click the Adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. Once it's added, drag its edges on the timeline to control how long the reveal lasts. And that's it! That's how you create Boxes Reveal Effect in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.